Good morning, entrepreneurs. Today's topic is about social insurance. Social insurance is very important, just like a tax in Japan. So, what is the social insurance in Japan? There is social insurance. There's four items included in the social insurance. The first one is health insurance. The second one is pension. The third one is labor insurance for the job-related accident, and the fourth one is unemployment insurance. Let me explain you one by one. So the health insurance, what's interesting about the health insurance in Japan is it is a public health insurance for the whole nation. So everybody has the health insurance, no exceptions. When you get injured and visit the the hospital, you pay only 30%, and 70% is paid by the government or insurance systems. And health insurance is the company has to pay the 50%, and the employee have to pay the 50%. So if your health insurance fee is 100, the 50 is withheld from your salary, and the other 50 is company pay for it. The next one is about the pensions. In Japan, you can start receiving the pension after you reach the age of 65 years old, and to receive the pension you have to be enrolled for the pension system more than 25 years or more. And same as the health insurance, the company bears the cost 50%, and employee pays the rest of the 50%. And as I said, the 25 years is necessary for the enrollment period. So what happens if you come from the other country, or if you just stay in Japan for a short time and go back to your hometown? So if you go back to your hometown and after you spend like several years in Japan, you get paid, like you can get some kind of the refund for it. And also there is an international social security agreement, like for example with Germany or United States or French or Canada, Australia. So between with some countries you can carry forward, you can carry the pension system to the Japan. I will talk about this in detail in the future lectures. The next one is labor insurance for job related accident. So this is like if you get into the accident, need to go to the hospital, and the medical expense is so high, the government pay the cost for it, because this is labor insurance for the job related accident. And this one is insurance for the laborers, so the directors cannot be enrolled in the insurance. And different from the health insurance and the pensions, that the company have to pay the 100% of the insurance fees for the employees, and the employee doesn't has to pay for it. But don't worry, the insurance fee is very low. It is like in the case of the tax accountant, it's like only 0.3%, and usually it's less than the 1%. And if the company do not pay the labor, pay the labor insurance, and if there's a heavy penalties, if the if the employee get into the accident and the government pay for it, like for example like 1 million Japanese yen, the government gonna ask you to pay to reimburse that medical expenses to the government and give you the penalty for it. And next one, the last one is unemployment insurance. This is like if you got fired or if your company go to the bankrupt, and you can get like unemployment insurance from these insurance systems. And this one is also for only for the employees, not for like management or directors. And this one, the both employees and the directors pay the insurance cost. Like the company pay, in most of the case, company pay like salary amount multiplied by 0.7%, and the employee pay the salary amount multiplied by the 0.4% other unemployment insurance. And one thing it's very important is enrollment for the social insurance is not an option. It's a legal requirement. So you can't choose, you don't want to enroll in the health insurance or you don't want to enroll in the pension. You must be enrolled. That's the law. And the company, when the company pay the salary to the employees, the company must withhold the social insurance cost from the employees' salaries and pay that in the next month. Thank you for listening. See you next time. I'm giving you the useful information about the business in Japan. If you don't want to miss it, please subscribe to this channel. See you next time.